This guy says, Montefane, you need to be there Friday.
You need to be there Friday, man.
He wants to see that monster.
I want to see that monster.
So make sure you there, Montefane. People looking for you.
Hey guys, it's Blondie Boo 314 back with another video. I want to remind you guys about our event on June 4th at Pur Performance. It's from 5 to 10. We're going to have food trucks, Stunna Reese, Rell, and CJ 32's in attendance. We're all co-hosting event. And then the next day, June 5th, is Gapfest with Mod to Fame, Stunna Reese, and Demonology. I remember this time. Okay, so that's June 5th at Worldwide Technology Raceway from 10 to 10. Tickets are going fast. You can get those on Gapfest.com and on Demonology's page, which I'll put in the description. Today, after my intro, we're gonna go to FastLane. It's custom classic cars. Let's go for a tour. Holy shit, that was fun! Hey, it's Blondie Boo 314. We're at FastLane Classic Cars. Come and let's take a tour. Put the address and then for the contact information in the description. All over the world to buy cars from FastLane. Look at this Charger.
This is crazy.
This is gorgeous. RT though.
Hang on, now we'll think about buying it?
No, not at that price.
They're high.
This is your style right here, huh? You like the Mach 1?
I had one.
You have one?
I did. Red. It was red.
Don't you wish you would have got rid of it?
I have a 68 Torino right now. Like that.
Do you really?
It don't look like that. But I have one.
Yeah, my dad still talks about he got rid of his 77 Chevelle. He said it was the worst mistake of his life.
Yeah, I had a 70 heavy Chevy Chevelle at the same time I had my Mach 1 in high school. And both of them have been restored. Guys, I sold to restore both of them. I both still have them. Back when we were 19 years old.
That'd be hard to see.
So.
Wow. If we knew then what we know now.
Oh my gosh. the Chevelle is worth like 60 grand. The Mach 1. They don't pull. This body doesn't pull. They're
Still beautiful.
They are.
I mean, 37.9 for a.
Plus, like that feel there for 32. It's pretty original. It looks like. But that's the thing. When you restore one, you're 20 grand in now.
Yeah.
So it's only ever worth that. That you spend the money to restore that one, or just buy one.
Nice thing about FastLane, all the work's done for you, it's ready to go. But you're gonna pay.
Don't pay for it. Whoa.
Okay, I have a question.
Blvd. Good. This is good. 40,000. Okay, so for those looking at this price, 40,000 for Impala SS 96.
Lingen filter.
This is not stock. Let's see what the specs are. 383 stroker. Supercharged 383 stroker. LT 700 rear wheel horsepower.
All original interior. All original. This was my favorite car back in the 90s. Always wanted an Impala.
Question is it worth 40,000?
No,
No?
not in my opinion.
No?
I mean, the modifications are what you're paying for. If you have this car anywhere else without the modifications, you could get it for like $3 grand.
Okay, so let's ask everybody. Okay. Y'all put in the comments and tell us, do you think that this is worth 40,000?
Put it in the comments, let me know what you think.
I'm curious to know. I'm curious to know who thinks that this is worth 40,000. You gotta realize that's a Ligenfeld 383 stroke.
I understand that, but if it wasn't for the modifications and the motor, would it be worth that much?
It's still a 96 SS Impala.
That it is.
I mean, 96 SS Impalas, they still can bring in this condition, they can still bring in 10, 12, 15,000 by themselves.
Show me the Carfax. How many accidents has it been in?
Let's ask them. Excuse me, let me ask you something. Do you think this Impala SS is worth 40,000? It's got the Ligenfelter 383 stroker kit in it.
I would pay 40,000.
You wouldn't pay 40?
No.
That's hard. I mean, I guess its value is based on how bad you want it.
It's the modifications. That's what you're paying for.
I think value it's based on how bad you want it.
I don't. If I had 40 grand to spend in here, that's not what I want.
Okay, so we're curious to know. We're curious to know. 40,000. What would you spend it on?
If I had $40,000 to spend in here.
In here. We ain't done looking yet. But by the end of this video, we want to know 40,000. What would Blondie do?
I only have 40,000, like 42.9, just 40, like 400.
Okay, let's give her 50. Let's give her 50.
Give me 50.
Let's give her 50,000. By the end of this video, we're going to see what Blondie would pay 50,000 for.
And if anybody wants to donate to that $50,000 fund, my Venmo is Blondie_Boo314.
Today we're going to find out what Blondie Boo would spend 50,000 on. I'm curious to know.
You might be surprised at what I'll pick.
I'm curious to know.
That I saw when I came in the door.
I think this is your style right here, this wagon.
Okay, let me be very clear with you. I don't like any type of wagon. I don't care what year it is. I don't care what model it is. I don't like wagons.
I heard it here first. Blondie Boo despises wagons. Tell the people what is your speed in the car?
Fast. Fast. It could look like a bucket as long as it's fast.
You'll drive a bucket with a big block.
I will drive a bucket with a big block because you work from the inside out. Those are where the fast cars come
Explain
from.
people what a bucket is.
A bucket is maybe you have a door handle, maybe you don't. But when you put your foot on the gas, you're gonna get there, you know, fast. That's what I like.
I don't know. I'm a cruiser. I gotta look good when I get there.
You got what?
I gotta look good when I get there.
Well, that's what I'm saying. You build from the inside out. You make sure that motor's right, and then you make it pretty. That's the easy part.
Y'all put in the comments below and see if Blondie Boo is right. Do you build from the inside, the motor out, or do you build from the outside
That's just
in?
a whole country girl talking about how her daddy raised her.
So Daddy taught you to build the motor first. So what steps should we take? Motor, then what?
Well, are we talking about the whole underneath of the hood?
We're talking about building the car. What do you start with?
You make sure this car is fast before you start working on the exterior of the car, because it's those sleepers that you catch at the track, like this looking like a bucket that's not going to hold together down the track. Those are the ones that you put your money on. That's just my experience. If you have the money to do both, great. But usually, for me, it's because inside out.
So where's this little gem you was telling us about?
We're not done looking at all the cars. I'll let you know.
Okay. This right here is a serious fire.
Oh yeah.
It's a serious fire. For anybody that don't know who this is the president of Misfits Car Club. He's the one that throws the Alex car shows. We'll tell y'all who Alec is and about the ride out and all that.
And while I'm looking underneath here at this thing and checking it over for buy, you can always be confident when you're buying from FastLane Classic Cars that you're getting a good vehicle.
Pay for what you get what you pay for.
Oh, and now my old self is gonna get up.
Oh. Now this right here, this is my speed.
Well, you ruined my moment.
I ruined your moment?
This is the gem.
This is the gem?
This is it.
This ain't no gem.
This is the 68 Impala.
You love the 68 Impala?
I love the 68.
Convertible at that. What year is Stunna Reese's Impala?
I don't know.
Stunna Reese, if you're watching this, we need to know what year your Impala is.
Hold on. 57.9. Just gotta tear the seat.
Hold on, we're gonna get to the turns. It's not gonna be perfect. The body is nice. It's got a 427 in it. SF. Convertible. The top isn't perfect either. country. Oh, that is a big
That's a big tear. For $57.90.
But I bet it's sound and solid.
And the crack in the console. Oh, I bet you people had some fun in this car. God, a Bonneville has always been a boat.
Always been a boat. $57.90. People think it's worth $57.90. I don't know. I think I'll pay probably 50 for that.
Let's take a Walmart.
I'll probably pay 50 for this. It's an SS427. If its numbers matching, minor cosmetic issue, that's nothing.
Look at this. This is why the gangsters use this car. Because look at the trunk space.
Yeah.
I want to open the trunk so bad. Where's the release?
Why do you say gangster?
I'm sorry, I am stereotyping. People that would like to kill people and hide their bodies.
You could put him, his 2 security guards, and his 3 homeboys
In the back of this Bonneville.
And they'll all fit comfortable.
I would like to have a cadaver dog smell the inside of this trunk and see if there's been any dead bodies in this trunk. Because I'm telling you, it's a possibility. Go look at the interior of this thing.
And it's a 4-door too. It's a big car.
It's a big car. It's sparkles. That's the guy that does Alex and Crow.
Yes, and they're nothing. I've never seen anything keep resale value like these ones.
Yeah, and I said, look in the front.
So anybody that don't know why they do loves dogs, but guess what?
Dogs and babies. I'm allergic to both.
She'll be sneezing and coughing in 5 minutes. That's a pretty dog. I bet.
Very, 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 very high maintenance, very, very active.
Are they vocal if they have him on YouTube?
Yes.
Really? Does he talk to you like does he talk back?
Yes.
Does he really?
Yes.
I bet he's shedding if it's gone.
Work, he will literally start talking to me.
Oh my god.
He will even walk up and talk to me and he'll start jamming his paw on my ankle.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So they love attention?
Oh yeah, he's an attention whore.
Is he shedding real bad?
He's still blowing out his winter coat, but I got a grooming appointment next Sunday for him to go get that all taken care of. Yeah.
That's crazy.
Thank you.
He also knows how to open doors. Yes.
You know.
All you gotta do is see you do it once.
Yeah.
And they'll figure it
Yes,
out.
basically he watched me open the door to get out to the garage where my bed is, and my wife did not know that he was out there, and so he opened the garage door.
Oh wow. Did he come back?
No,
obviously.
15 minutes later, I had to go chasing him.
He wanted to go explore.
Yes.
Now is he? I mean, they're bred for winter, right? I mean, they like cold.
Yes.
Does he like cold?
Yes. When we hit the snow, that snow a while back, I had to carry him outside and through the biggest house he can. He did not want to come inside.
Oh my god.
Animal control knocked on my door and said, "Why you get your dog out there?" I said, "I'm trying to get him in the house. He will not come inside the house." And he literally had made his little husky burrow in the snowdrift, and then he pops his head out the top of it. It's hilarious.
Oh,
I'm like, I'm trying to get him to come in, but he won't.
He's cool. How long have you had him?
I've had him for 2 years.
You got that puppy.
He was a result of a failed foster. Basically, I got attached to him. I couldn't let him.
I don't blame you. I would have too.
I signed the paperwork and he became mine.
Super cool.
What's his name?
Charger.
Oh my god, I love it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You don't know what you want. Oh, you're scratching your nose. Scratching your nose. Banana boat. This is pretty.
It's got the long
I
shifter.
like the louvers in the hood.
Yeah. It's got the long shifter. I love that. Not the, because usually it's on the top.
Oh, it's a resto mod. This is nice.
Is my neck right?
It's getting there.
This is what my friend at work has. The Galaxy.
Galaxy. It's a two-door Galaxy too.
Yeah.
Let's go look at the other side.
What a neat thing to do on the wall. I remember this one. Remember this one.
Oh, yeah.
Remember that one?
If you have this, if you have the license plate that matches, if you have the card that goes with the year of the license plate, you can put that license plate on the car.
Really?
Yeah.
Even though it doesn't match your car?
You can get it registered to match your
Oh, that's cool.
A lot of guys are old schoolers who get the old school plate.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Why is that newer Toyota in a custom car shop?
So FastLane not only sells cars that they buy, but they also sell cars on consignment. So that's probably a consignment car.
This was bright orange.
It's a Dale Earnhardt edition.
It is.
I didn't even know he made that. And it's literally signed by Dale Earnhardt. Which would explain why the price on this thing is $27,500.
His had the exact same interior. When I used to drive this thing, I was not thinking it was $27,000.
Yeah, this is a Dale Earnhardt edition. What you know about this pop-up sunroof? We gotta go to that side.
Oh, there was more?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me I was going to have two choices.
What do you know on that side? Is that the push it. They got a whole like complex.
I wish FastLane had shirts they sold.
I'm sure they got shirts.
You know, I love shirts. If anybody wants to send me a shirt, I'll give you my P.O. box. In an extra large.
There go another 96 in color.
Let's go see how much that one is Let's see how much that one retailed for. How much was the other one?
The other one was 39.
Oh, I really like. Hold on. Walk back to this window. Makes me so much big.
Why does every woman look in their reflection every time they see a reflection? I really like
We have to maintain it for all time.
I really like it.
It's big, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay.
Hold on. How much do you think it is? It's got 150,000 miles original.
No, only 150 actual miles. This is still a brand new car.
Okay, how much do you think it is?
It's got 150 miles. What year is it?
96?
96?
Yep.
So 90, they only made so many 96.
Right.
It's the only year with the shifter on the floor. I'm gonna say between 18 and 20,000.
50,000.
50? Yeah, that's good. But it's still a brand new car. It's only got 100.
How does it only have 150 miles if it had 2 owners? Something's not right.
150 miles.
It says it's one of the lowest miles 1996 Impalas in the country. You put that on my channel, it's going to be sold.
Say that again.
What?
What you just said. It's what?
It's one of the lowest mileage 1996 Impala SS's in the country. So if you guys want a 96 Impala SS, FastLane in St. Charles, Missouri. 150 original miles, guys. It's clean. Interior is impeccable.
Somebody would really have to want this car to pay 50,000 for it.
Well, I mean, if you actually, oh, they do have church. Shopping. How much are your shirts?
That'd be a great price if they're all next.
On the back of it.
FastLane would be a slightly different price than some of the others. There we go. 95. These are 1995.
Okay.
There's some from way back that are maybe 22 or 24.95.
Okay. Thank you.
Nobody would like somebody
You never know. That's cute. Red's my color.
Red is your color.
Come on. Let's go look at the car.
Watching
Shop
Bonnie
later.
Boo shop is worse than watching people drive.
That is not true, guys. If anybody would like to take me shopping, just let me know.
You don't even like-
1,600 miles.
You don't even like this thing.
No, I don't. Found on road dead.
Somebody's gonna have something to say about that. What is your favorite?
My favorite car?
No. Like Chevy, Fords.
Well, I grew up Chevy or no car. I mean, that was all our family was with Chevy. But as I've gotten older, I'm more Mopar. I love a Mopar.
Oh, new Mopars or older Mopars?
Both. They both have the most torque and horsepower for your money. Like, hands down, Mopar is the best.
The problem is that they're so heavy though.
They're very heavy.
They use
Dodge
all the-
needs to work on lightening their cars a little bit. Those tires will stop spinning so much. Plus the torque. We're in Mustang heaven over here.
said what?
You know what I know with my 50,000?
What?
Okay, I'll give you 2 more.
This
This is amazing. It even has oh shit handles. Look at the wheel. This isn't heavy duty. I think that's the most expensive one here.
What, the Nova?
This exact same car. I'm gonna tell you right now, that thing was not worth $149,000.
Well, this is a resto mod. You understand what a resto mod is?
I don't know. Is it
Okay,
headrest, the headrests are laid back, so it's for rest mode. It's for rest mode.
She's having a blind moment right now. A resto mod is when you restore a car, that's an older car, but you add modern style into it.
Hold on, I'm gonna give you an actual representation of what these seats look like.
Okay, well,
See, but look at it. That is stupid and it's weird, and that just took off some of the value. They actually sell antiques too.
it's also LS swap.
Well, of course it is.
It really does some nice work. The molding in this engine bay is nice.
I'm done. Okay, that's not my.
We're still waiting on you to tell us what you like.
I'm still looking. This is the second garage. What's that rose color called?
Champagne?
No, it's rose something. Dusty rose.
Is that? She's trying to figure out what color rose this is. Well, drop in the comments below and tell us what color you think this is. It looks kind of
See, I
champagne
think,
to me.
you know, the frugal person that I am, I would probably buy this for $24,900, and I'd find something else in here. So I would have 2 cars. If I get I've got $50,000 to spend, I might get 2.
I don't know. This beautiful Savior is pretty dope. I don't like
this pinstriping up here.
I don't like that bar on the bottom.
That can come off. But this pinstriping would have to come off. Don't like it. What are these?
That's a spotlight.
Okay, if you buy this car, you have to buy this car. It's got aluminum seats. If you buy this car, you have to get the goggles and the little fluffy headwear to wear in this. There's no other way.
Where did you get this stuff from? What bottles?
Hold on. No, that is bigger.
What year is it?
Yeah, 56.
Huh?
56.
56?
This is what my dad looked like. But it has a cream interior, like peanut butter interior. He only paid $24 for his. Oh, and by the way, I sold it for $26 on Craigslist. Did I get a profit from that?
What you trying to say?
I'm still waiting on my cut. My manager's Hold on, wait a minute. Is that supposed to be Angelina Jolie?
Is that the rock?
No, that's Nicolas Cage. Hold on.
That is not.
That's Nicolas Cage and that's Angelina Jolie.
has been newborn since the second, right?
Wow, that's the perfect sound effect for the background.
They didn't spell Nicolas Cage right. They forgot the H.
Bootleg posters.
The bootleg poster. Whoa, look at this camera.
Who's small enough to fit back there? Well, I thought it was a cooler, and it's not a cooler. So what is it? Is it a casket?
No. You gotta have some storage space. You don't got none in there.
Then why does it have a cooler lid?
Look.
Show, that's a cooler lid.
No. That's a hatch.
Cooler lid. Double-sided cooler lid.
You are definitely not disappointing the people with your brown hair. Oh, I like this.
See, I could get this one, and I could get that pink car over there.
I like this. I really like this.
Wait a minute, I forgot about sales tax.
I really like this.
I used to love Eldorado.
Would you spend your $50,000 on it?
No.
No.
No, because I wouldn't be able to park it.
What?
I'd be hitting everybody in this thing.
It's nice though.
I won't spend my $50,000 on a Mustang.
This is exclusive though. This is exclusive. It's a brand new car.
Is it 2020?
GT500. The sticker price says 105, but not 125. C8. It's a C8. below and tell us what's the difference in the trim levels for the C8. This one is an LTZ, but I hear a lot of people talk about the LT.
All right, Blondie Booth followers, you guys ready to see which one I'm gonna get?
I'm curious to know what her 50,000 is.
I'm gonna put my 50,000. This.
This?
Yeah. Because I don't have money left over to go shopping.
Let me go with that now.
Or see, now what I'm saying is I could get this and that pink car over there and have two cars, or I could just get this car and have 24,000 left to play with. Shopping, extras for the car, new wheels.
Why does shopping come before extras on the car?
Well, shopping includes extras for the car. But I'll probably get a Louis bag and I'm gonna get some new wheels for it. Yeah. Some subs in the back, of course.
You don't know anything about no subs.
Oh, and guess what else I would do?
What?
I would get it bagged.
Bag it?
I bag it. How cool would that be to pull up in the money car and be like, no one in St. Louis could be able to touch me. Yeah, I really want that. Okay, so give me 50,000. Give me 50,000. One can dream.
Maybe somebody will contribute to the cause.
Like I said, if anybody wants to help with my 50,000 goal, my Venmo is Blondie_Boo314. Just thank you.
Food truck. Somebody help us understand something. Why do the food trucks want such a huge deposit for them to show up at your event? Like, you would think that the food truck would say, okay,
I don't know which way to go.
you're coming, you want us to come to your event? Then okay, we'll pay you to show up. But then I was thinking the other day, they have to prep all their food and they'll throw it away if they don't use it.
Right. That's why they want that money guaranteed.
Yeah. So I get that. Look, there's some cars over there hanging out.
Nothing I want to look at.
You don't know that. Blondie Booth, if y'all didn't know, she's so anti-everything, so judgmental.
I am not. Don't say that. But if you're going to have a show car, it better be perfect. Don't bring it out unless it's not.
No, I don't know about perfect because I've shown my car before and it's not perfect. What's on over here?
What's over here? But we're walking in the middle of the road.
Well, get out the street before you become a flat Blondie Booth.
And up and flat on my body. My TikTok, if you guys want to follow me, it's Blondie_Boo82. Got lots of funny videos on there.
How many followers you got on there?
Last time I checked, 2,048 with over 50,000 likes and over 350,000 views.
Yeah, that's like the workshop. Let's go look at some of the cars.
I'm hungry. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. If you're new here, please like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And please don't forget about June 4th. We want